After we finished the Watchman Trail, we headed up to the Riverside Walk, which is stop 9 on the Zion Canyon shuttle. As soon as you get off the shuttle here, you are greeted by a gorgeous waterfall. Like, for real, I just could not stop filming this thing. And of course, we had to get a picture in front of it with the squirmy kids. Wow, just take a look at that.
Last time we were there was September of 2020, and this waterfall was not there to see. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.
Of course, the bummer here about all the snow melt is that the Virgin River water level is really, really high. So unfortunately, the Narrows are closed. Hey, buddy. You looking for food in this backpack here? Wow. So obviously, without being able to do the Narrows, this hike is much less exciting, but still worth getting off at this stop literally just to see the waterfall.
In the Narrows, the water flow has to stay under 150 cubic feet per second for 24 hours for the Narrows to be open and for you to be able to walk through it. The day we were there, it was 1,340 cubic feet per second, so we could not do the Narrows for this trip.
Then on our way back, we made a stop at Weeping Rock. This area was not open last time we were in the park. Weeping Rock is a short, pretty steep uphill hike, basically to this little sort of cave outcropping which goes underneath and behind the waterfall. So you can get wet on this ride. So even though we're bummed that the Narrows was closed, last time we were here, we didn't see any waterfalls at all, so these were pretty spectacular. We also did the Lower Emerald Pools Trail, but that'll be in another video. And it was a perfect day to make a stop for ice cream. No, I'm just letting him push me in because he finds it hilarious. It's gonna be cold. Man, I'm not ready. All right, now your turn to come in.